Hello everyone. This video will be a short overview of the AC300 home integration kit. I know there's a little bit of confusion when looking at bluettipower.com as to what the differences are between the two kits, the 120 volt only version and the 120 volt and 240 volt versions. So we're going to take a look at that here. What we're looking at here is a 120 volt only version. The only differences between the two are what cables come here on the side. I'll get into that in just a moment. The main item to feature here is the sub panel itself. This is a Reliance panel. It looks like it says the Protran 2. Here's a quick look at the specifications here and what's included. Maximum of 7,500 watts. Amps at 125 volts is 60. Amps at 250 volts is 30. Now with this kit being designed for a single AC300, you'll notice it still does have both the 120 volts and the 240 volts here. 240 on this side, 120 volts on this side. You'll notice this is a manual transfer switch, so you will need to come and choose, are we switching the power to come off of the AC300 or off of the main grid? And again, the main difference here between the two kits is what cables come on the side. So on the side here, you have the 30 amp AC charging cable. This is the L1430. And on this side, you have the TT30 to L1430 cable. This is what you would actually connect to the AC300 to provide power to the sub-transfer panel. Again, keep in mind, this is only going to be running at 120 volts. If you purchase the 240 volt version, you will receive additional cables that will be designed for two AC300s in split phase modes. The panel itself does include some additional connectors here. You'll see when it comes time to install it, you have the right angle connectors. It comes with a very generous amount of power line cable itself and a little bit of metal conduit. The main connector here that the AC300 would plug into is contained right here. This will still need to be installed within the box itself. That should be pretty easy to do. I hope this video was helpful. You can purchase this and learn more at bluettipower.com.